Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to join the Saily eSIM affiliate program. So first you go to the site saily.com/affiliate. I will put the link down in the description. So then you will come on this page, earn with Saily affiliate program, and you get 50% commission with every new user. So you click on join the program, and here we are at the sign up page. So you have to fill in all these details. I will do that right away. Be right back to you guys. So that's filled in as well, and then we clicked on next. As you can see right here, we are at step 3, additional questions. So I intend to promote through YouTube videos. What type of traffic are you working with? Search traffic for eSIMs. Preferred payout method. So there's a payout method: PayPal, wire transfer, or other. Other is I think bank, but let's say PayPal for now, and enter your bank ID or PayPal email address. Do that right now. So I've filled in the additional questions, and then you get to this policy. I've read this already, but make sure to read this as well, and then if you have done that, you can agree to the terms if you agree with them, and then click just simply on sign up. And here we are. Welcome back. My is currently being reviewed, and account manager will contact you shortly. So they will come back to you, and after they have reviewed and they accepted you, then you're in the affiliate program of Saily eSIM.